Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add more than one animation to one clip in CapCut PC. So this is a trick that I use to add more than one animation to one clip. You can split the clip before into some part. Sorry. And I'm going to split into three parts. For the first clip, I'm going to select animation, select in animation, and select animation you like. And for the second clip, I'm going to select combo animation. And for the last clip, select out animation. So this is the final effect. So that's how you can add more than one animation to one clip in CapCut PC so easily. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please write in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.